Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can claim and withdraw your X Empire token using your Bitget account. Guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to open your X Empire mining bot. Once you open it, this is the interface you're going to see. So guys, now you're going to see the token that is being allocated to you right here. You can see mine right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now for you to actually use Bitget as your withdrawal option, what you have to do now is to scroll downward. So let me scroll downward now. So guys, now you can see where it is written choose withdrawal options. You can see the list of withdrawal options that we have. What you have to do now is to tap on the third option, which is Bitget Exchange. You have to tap on it because we want to use our Bitget account to actually claim our X Empire token. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step now is to tap on where it is written yes, I have it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step now is to scroll down. So let me scroll down. So guys, now you can see what's required of us to provide. You can see there the first one is Bitget UID, while the second one is X deposit address. So guys, I've already copied my Bitget UID and my X deposit address. So what I will do now is to go ahead now to paste it. But guys, in case you have not gotten yours, I've already made a video on how you can get your Bitget UID and your X deposit address. What you simply have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video, or you can go over to the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the links to this video that will show you guys how you can actually get your Bitget UID and your X deposit address. Once you watch those videos, they'll be able to learn how to get your Bitget UID and your X deposit address. It's very easy. So guys, now that being said, let me go ahead now to paste my Bitget UID. Let me tap on where it is written Bitget UID. Then what I'll do now is to paste it. So let me go ahead now to paste it. So guys, now you can see I've pasted my Bitget UID. So let me scroll down. Let me go over to the next one, which is X deposit address. Let me tap on it. Let me go ahead now to paste my X deposit address. So guys, now you can see I've pasted my X deposit address right there. So I've provided my Bitget UID and my X deposit address. So the next step I have to take now is to tap on where it is written save and choose. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, you can see what's written down there. This method is chosen to withdraw tokens. So guys, now this is how you can actually use your Bitget account as a withdrawal option to get your X Empire token. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do well to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release new videos like this, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.